Untuk teman-teman semuanya yang bekerja di Taiwan, ingatlah, kamu datang ke sini sebagai pahlawan keluarga. Semangat!
An emotional moment and words of encouragement from this Indonesian migrant caregiver. Sophie, who asks for her identity to be concealed, is attending a special workshop to help migrant workers in Taiwan overcome the difficulties involved in caring for people with dementia. Having looked after elderly people for more than a decade, Sophie says caring for those with dementia is one of the most challenging parts of her job.
晚上有时候不睡觉，也是会骂你，会凶。
It's estimated there are more than 300,000 people with dementia in Taiwan, and about 1/5 of them are being cared for by migrant workers from Southeast Asian countries. The number of foreign caregivers in the country is soon expected to rise, after the Labor Ministry lowered the criteria for people to hire caregivers from abroad. Those diagnosed with mild dementia are now allowed to file applications to hire foreign workers. But many only received minimum training prior to taking their jobs, and experts say workshops like this are necessary so workers can provide proper standards of care.
我觉得蛮重要是应该要在照顾一段时间，要回来参加一些实体的这个交流或是一些工作坊。那这样子，我觉得可以让他们在这个照顾上有一些经验之后，再来针对经验做一些问题的探讨。那有专业的人员可以回答，那最好当然是用他们母语来做回答。
An investigation done by local NGO 140 says most Indonesian caregivers assisting dementia patients feel exhausted and stressed, mostly because of language barriers and a lack of knowledge of the illness. But here at the workshop, they are able to learn some basic medical skills and offload some of their worries.
可以交心的朋友，可以聊天，所以我们比较不会 stress。
我怎么想办法照顾老人？如果开始生气，我就不会生气，因为有时候他们生气，我也在里面都是痛苦，想生气。
People with dementia can only be properly cared for when those looking after them are also healthy and in a good state of mind, whether they are family members or foreign caregivers. Although workshops like this offer support to migrant workers, they are not yet a common practice in Taiwan. So for many, there's no choice but to carry on alone.